Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. So for today's episode guys, I would be sharing to you my 3 most used and 3 least used handbags of 2021. So this is going to be fun. Hopefully you stay tuned until the end of this video. Hi guys, Ron here, Soaking Budgetarian Fashionista. A vlog about the latest news about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon here so you can easily subscribe and I could welcome you to our growing and loving fam. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Ramiro5 so you could get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. So the top 3 of my least used handbag of 2021 is my Fendi Micro Baguette. Here she is. Alright, so this Fendi Micro Baguette is one of my micro bag collection. So I think the reason why I haven't, I'm not really sure guys, I would be honest, I couldn't think of one incident or event that I have used my Fendi Micro Baguette last year, except I think for the one home photo shoot that I did for Instagram. Aside from that one, I couldn't even think of where I have used this one. Although she is very beautiful guys, I would be honest. Although yes, I haven't used her last year, but I haven't included her and will never ever include her on any of my vlog sales. She is very small and very tiny, but what I love about this bag is because I could turn her into an accessory of one of my bags in the future. I think one of the reasons why I haven't used her last year is because, again, this is a micro bag. My phone would not fit. So if you could see, my phone is the same size as my Fendi Micro Baguette. And during this time of pandemic, I think I am changed a little bit because initially, as you know, if you have been following me, I'm more of a fan of micro bags. But you know, with this pandemic, my needs have changed also. So whenever I would be going out, I would prefer more of the medium size bag wherein I could put in my phone, I could put in, you know, a charger, a power bank, and more of my essential. That is why I haven't used my Fendi Micro Baguette. But then again, I will try to use her more this year, 2022. Alright, the top 2 in my least used bag of 2021 is my YSL monogram clutch. Here she is. So she is a clutch bag. So this is the front. It comes with a D-ring on the side wherein there is an attached wristlet so you could carry it as a clutch. And if you want to be hands-free, all you need to do is put it on your wrist and you could carry a drink like this. So the reason why I haven't used this last year, so like what I mentioned, this is more of an evening clutch. And of course, I would be blaming pandemic, so there is not much of event here in Manila yet. So there are no fashion shows that I attend. Although what I love about this one, so she is still in very good condition, and the size of this one, it's way bigger compared to my Fendi micro bag here. So just for comparison, so as you can see, I could still carry this one and it would fit my phone here, as you could see. And maybe I also did a styling tip for this one. So it has a D-ring over here. Maybe if you want it to make it look a little bit more fancier. So let me attach this. Give me one moment. There. So this is one of the styling tip that I did. So like for example, if you want to carry, you know, this and make it more fancy, so just attach a chunky chain like this. So I'm excited that I'm doing this right now. And then maybe attach it to your shoulder. So if you have a larger shoulder strap, then maybe you could do this so that you could carry it on your shoulder. So maybe this is not the end for my YSL monogram clutch. Although yes, she is part of the vlog sale. But if there's no one going to, you know, purchase her from me, I would still be very happy and keep this in my collection. Right, the top 1 least used handbag of 2021 is my Kenzo utility belt bag. So I would be honest guys, so this is not actually, I would say, not on the least used category. I would say the never used category, because I keep on mentioning from the time that I purchased this one back in I forgot, maybe 2015, 2016 in Taipei. I've only used this a handful, maybe 1 or 2 times when I have attended a fashion show. So again, it's just that it's not she is ugly or anything, or I don't love her anymore. My needs with bag has just changed. So before, like what I mentioned with micro baguette, I am a fan of super teeny tiny micro bag, but right now whenever I will be going out, I would want my bag to be a little bit more functional, wherein it would fit a lot of my stuff. Alright, so now let's move on to the most used bags of 2021. So let's go first with the top 3. It would be my vintage Zucca pochette. Yay! So here she is, guys. So she is made of Zucca canvas of Fendi. So she is vintage. So again, guys, she doesn't come with these attachments here. So the shoulder strap that it comes with, it's already split in 2, and I'm no longer using that one. So luckily, I have this Fendi strap over here. This is a jacquard strap. So I could wear this as a crossbody and as a shoulder bag. And then I have attached this chunky chain here to make it more stylish and make it more new. So guys, honestly, I'm surprised with this bag because yes, she is vintage and she is an old bag. She's actually an oldie but goodie, but I super love carrying her around whenever, like a quick errand, a quick, shopping trip or shopping vlog or anything that, I feel that would be a very busy day. I would be getting her because number one, the size of this one, I would say can be considered as a medium-sized bag. So here is my phone. It could fit my phone, my charger, my power bank, all the essentials that I would need. And, it's very, like, for example, it's very easy to expand. And number 2, why I super love carrying this one last year is because, again, the material of this one is canvas. So plus this is a vintage bag, so she has already been broken into. So I'm not really scared of carrying this one because, as you know, with this pandemic, I'm such a germaphobe. I would be carrying, lots of hand sanitizers or alcohol with me. Again, she is vintage, but she is very tough. And I super love carrying the Fendi Zucca pochette, and I feel 2022 I would still be carrying her a lot with grocery runs, with errands. Even if, for example, if I would be able to travel internationally, I would still be carrying her with. For top 2 most used bag of 2021 is my Louis Vuitton Petite Sac Plat. Here she is. This is the front. This is the side. So again, guys, I purchased this one March 2021, and I think that is one of the main reason why I have been using her as much last year. This is my very first Louis Vuitton purchase from direct from the boutique here. That's why I super love this bag and has a special place in my heart. So the good thing about this one, yes, she is very small. Other may consider this as a small leather good, but like for example, comparing this to the teeny tiny micro baguette here, and this is the Petite Sac Plat. As you can see here, guys, the size is very there's a huge difference. And what I super love about this one, what drove me to purchase this one is it could fit my phone here. So again, this is an iPhone 6s Plus, and as you can see, it fits perfectly, and it still has more space. Like for example, I could put my phone charger and other essentials that I would need. That's why I super love this one. Again, she's made of canvas. The vachetta that it comes with is already honey colored. It's not as white compared to the newer releases of Louis Vuitton. That's why I'm really scared of carrying this one. So what I'm actually thinking, so that I would carry her more on 2022, is I would be attaching my Fendi micro baguette here so that I would have extra space in carrying my Petite Sac Plat. Right, for the top 1 most used bag of 2021. So if you know me, guys, you know I would be getting Chanel number 1. Here she is. So she is a vintage Chanel single flap bag with horizontal pattern here. So what are the reasons why I super love her and why I use her most of the time? So as you know, guys, I purchased her already November 2021. Although yes, I purchased her late quarter last year. that didn't stop me from using her most of the time. So one reason is her size. So she is jumbo, so I could fit my phone, I could fit my charger, I could fit all the things that I need whenever I would be going out. So like what I mentioned, I feel I've been transformed from using micro bags to something very functional with this size. Number two, I love that, you know, as you can see on the top here, she has 2 grommets, so it means that the straps are adjustable. So you could carry her different ways. You could carry her as an evening clutch, you could carry her as a shoulder bag, as a crossbody bag. Although as a crossbody bag, the straps are a little bit short, but that's okay with me. And you could carry her double straps like this, and still she would look very, very good. And of course, the material of this one is patent leather. So there are a lot of patent leather lovers out here, and they're saying that one of the advantages of this material is if, for example, there's like, you know, rain or downpour, the water will just slide through and you can wipe it off and it would not stick to the material. The only, I think, disadvantage of patent leather is, you know, heat and humidity. That's why I'm super careful in carrying Chanel #1 here. But then again, guys, with her size, with her look, I keep on mentioning that this is the bag that I'm so in love with all of my collection. So whenever I'm going out, she would always be my first choice. I'm excited on what adventures that we would be going through 2022 and moving forward. Again, I'm super excited to be carrying her around with me. There, how did you like our episode for today? So before we end this, I would love to say thank you to Danny. Danny, thank you so much for leaving this wonderful and awesome comment. Thank you so much, and welcome to the fam. Again, guys, before we end, I would like to invite you to join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon here, so you could easily subscribe, and I'd be happy to welcome you to the fam. Also, smash that notification bell. I publish vlog twice a week, Wednesdays and Saturdays. Also, guys, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video. Please do follow me on Instagram.com/Ramiro5 so you could get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Thank you guys for staying with me in this episode. So I will be leaving here a couple of videos. If you haven't seen that, I would appreciate it if you could check it out. I would see you soon. Please stay safe. Bye!